Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Courtney from Couture Plus Confidence, and here you see I am retrieving my packages, all of my Amazon packages. So today's video is going to be a DIY custom bag, chip bag. Here you see I said hi you guys. I'm showing you that I made these printouts using my computer, and it's for my son's birthday party. It was a it was a gang theme. So here it is, I'm showing you the potato chips. And this is a pack that comes in a package. You want to flip it down on the front side of the chips. Flip the paper so that the actual pictures are on the opposite side. I'm showing you need a hot glue gun. Here's some hot glue sticks. And we're going to glue along each side of the paper. So that's what you see me doing there. Remember to keep the chip bag in the center. And then you bring each end together and you connect them. And then just hold it there for a couple of seconds. There's no camera action today, just all voiceover. So this may take 1 or 2 tries, but you'll get it. The problem is the glue, it dries so fast, so you have to work quickly. So here it is, you see me adding some more glue and connecting the 2 pieces again. And it's connected. So the next thing you want to do is flip it back over, check it, make sure it's still centered, and then you have the 2 ends that we need to close. I'm going to glue this side and this side shut. I'm just putting a very little bit of glue along the edges. You just want to pinch it closed, and voila, that's it. We're going to do the same thing on this side. So we're going to glue on the inside, some glue, and then seal the last side of the bags. And then pinch it closed. And it's sealed. And then there you have it. A birthday bag cover for my son's 9th birthday. So I'm going to do one more. I'm going to show you guys again. Take your cover that you made. I made this on Microsoft Word. Take your bag of chips. You want to turn it over upside down. Actually, not upside down, but turn it over. Take your bag of chips. And this is a 1 ounce bag of chips. Turn that upside down. You're going to get your glue and glue along the edges on each side. Like that. Or you can use double-sided tape. I didn't have any. I just used what I had on hand. And that works for me. And I'm not looking for it to be perfect, just so that it sticks on here. And call it a day. They're just going to rip the bag open and eat the chips anyway. So it's sealed on both sides, as you can see. Now we're going to glue here. Pinch. And if you want to hold it a little bit, you can for a few seconds to ensure that it's closed and sealed. That's fine. Do the same for this side. Pinch it closed. Here we go. And there you have it.
And
voila.
there you have it.
Custom DIY chip bag.
And as you can see, I've done all of these here. I think I did about 12 or 14. That's the amount of children that I'm expecting. And this was pretty cute. It's very nice. It's cute. It's fun. And it goes with his theme, which is the game theme. Game on. And it's something different.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Please hit that like or subscribe button before you go.